proceed. Okay. So any comments while we have you here? And again, I'm rolling out today our startup mentorship program. You get to come to the regular sessions with everybody else. It's an entry point. It's no fluff. The price point is very cheap, very reasonable. The quality is not cheap. The quality is there. Again, I'm of the mindset, like I always say, like my Jamaicans and my other cultures, each one teach one, and we come together, and that's how everybody can win. So this is a perfect entry point. Again, you can always upgrade to the more expensive plan. You can come down, but you got to complete the month, or either you just have to pay for 2 months, whatever you want to do. But you can't just kind of flip flop between the two. But you can change at any given point. So that's going to be totally up to you. But I had to roll this out today. I don't care if I was going to be here by myself, which clearly I'm not. So, hey guys, welcome. So again, we're just rolling out our new mentor program. And again, I'm calling it something everyone can afford. Every notary needs to have great training. When you say I cannot afford training, you cannot afford not to. Example. You get out there, I got my commission, I don't know what to do, but I received this assignment. I'm going to go anyway and just pray that it works. Yeah. And then you get out there messing up somebody's documents. Now the signing company got to pay 3 people to go out there. And then we wonder why the payments are so low. Why are they only paying $20? Why are they only paying $25 for a signing? I had somebody call me the other day after 8 in the evening appointment. Okay. After 8, he offered me $45, and we both laughed because he already knew I was not going out there for $45. I just was not. I don't even leave my house under $50, okay? It is very rare that my vehicle will leave the driveway under $50. It's got to be a very, very special circumstance, okay? Okay. So anyway, what else is going on out here in these notary streets? Are you even working today? On your Google page, do you have that you're open? If you are open, now I'm still open. I didn't have any plans today. So I'm actually in town and I'm working. I got a job tomorrow I need a witness for. I got a phone call into somebody. Hopefully they can join me. If not, I'm going to have to try to find a witness. It's a holiday weekend. So this is a good time for, I always say, for my newbies and those that work full time, you want to get your feet wet. The holiday weekends are the best time to try and get your feet wet because the regulars are on vacation. Their preferred notaries are on vacation, and the signing still got to happen. People still need someone in a nursing home. That's where I'm going tomorrow. Okay. So even though we're on holiday, my friend likes to say holiday, even though we're on holiday, they're not on holiday. Documents are still floating about every day. Somebody getting something notarized every day. So the point is going to be, are you going to be the notary to get the job? Are you? So again, I know you need some time off, guys. So I ain't saying you got to work every day, but I kind of work almost every day. I do, but I like what I do too. So, but we do take our vacations though. I mean, I do. All right. What else do we have going on? So I introduced you to both mentorship programs. Again, we have a $27 point entry, or the full kit and caboodle is $47 per month. Covers everything. But either way, allow us to be a part of your notary journey. If you're tired of having your commission in your bag and it's not being used, your stamp, and you're like, I spent all this money on the business, I've bought all these courses, I bought all these trainings, I still don't know what to do, I still don't know how to properly notarize documents, then you're in the right place. If you still don't know how to price your services, you're in the right place, because you have to know how to do your job, which would be your acknowledgments, your drafts, your basic stuff. You have to know that. It's not sexy. I always tell people what I do around here and what we do at Notary Educators is not sexy. It's not. Sexy is I make $1 million, I make a and all that, making it rain. Yeah, that's sexy, right? And you can get there, but you got to know what you're doing first. There's no workaround. There's no workaround. Nobody can just by osmosis, open up your brain and just stick all the information in there. So I give you what I've learned. The team gives you what they've learned. We help with your Chat GPT. We help with Google. I mean, we help with all kind of stuff when you're in the full program. And you'll get some of those benefits from being being in the house. You want to be in the room where it's happening. With our weekly sessions, even if you're paying a $27, you can still be in the program and get the weekly live coaching. And those sessions are amazing, guys. If you've not seen one, just try it for a few months. I guarantee you will not regret it. We got some people who've been with us for a year. They're doing amazing things. Do you have any questions about the program? Again, we're looking to help as many notaries as we can, for real. And I came up with this. I've been going back and forth with this lower price entry point for a while. And finally I got it figured out. So again, I normally move fast on things, but when I'm rolling out a new product or a new service, I want to make sure that I know what I'm doing. And this is what I recommend you do too. Okay? Because I have a lot of you be like, I know how to do an apostille, and taking an apostille job, you don't know what to do. I know how to do a loan signing, and you ain't even been through the NNA training, our training, no training, but you know how to do it. No. Okay, that's not what I want for you. That is not what I want for you. I want you to walk in a room confident with your head up high. I know what I'm doing as a notary. I'm looking for signatures. I'm looking for initials. I know how to identify my client. I know how to fill out the book, the journal. Okay, I know how to market my business. I want you to have the same confidence that I have, which I have not always had. I had to start somewhere. Hey, everybody, welcome. So I just rolled out the new mentorship program. If you have any questions, you can check it out at NotaryEducatorsLLC.com. Again, NotaryEducatorsLLC.com. Let me put that in the chat here. And if you don't want full-blown mentorship, the regular courses are still on sale, because I get that question quite a bit. Can you still just buy individual courses? You can. They're 60% off. Coupon code is WIN2025. So you can just check out the self-paced courses. I took some time yesterday and kind of tried to simplify the website a little bit to make it a little more user-friendly. Because what I'm looking at, I'm like, oh, that looks good. But then I look at it from the client perspective, is it easy for you to find the books? I have people all the time that say, hey, Kimmi, I want to buy a book. I'm looking for your pricing book. I'm looking for your specialty book. I'm looking for your book on YouTube, and they can't find the books. That's a Kimmi problem. Okay. And in turn, that becomes a customer service issue. So just like I have to service you all, you're my client, you have to service your client. And when you realize certain things are not working in your business, you have to pivot. You have to change. Okay. Or if enough people are complaining, you think I'm going to charge $200-$300 for whatever service, and you think that's going to be all right. Well, your market and your clients will let you know, hey, your prices are too high, because they're not going to call you. They're not going to use you. Your phone will be ringing and dinging, but no clients. Cha-chinging. How y'all like that one? All right now. I like that one myself. Look, the phone will be ringing and dinging, but no cha-chinging. Right. Because our prices are too high. So we have to look at the market, and I do not tell you to call every single notary in your area and find out what they charge. You bet not do that. I'm going to say it, bet not. Do not call other notaries asking them and pretending like you're a client. Okay, don't call my number. Nothing will tick me off quicker than you calling to pretend you are a notary. Okay? And real notaries know when you call them the fake and try to just find out what they charge. Okay? That is not how we determine our pricing. You know your market. I give you things to think about. How far do you have to travel? I'm going to tell you right now. How far do you have to travel? What kind of document is it? Some people say, well, it doesn't matter what kind of document it is. I used an illustration recently in mentorship, and I loved it. I'm going to share it with you right quick. Some people say, well, it doesn't matter what kind of document. A stamp is a stamp. Why do you need to know all that? Well, guess what? I have a Honda. If my key breaks, I can get it fixed for $3. Okay. I have family members that drive Lexuses, and if you know, you know. If their key breaks, it's $350. A key is a key, right? But what kind of key? It depends on the car, the make, the vehicle, right? So it's the same thing. A purse is a purse. You can go to Goodwill and get a purse for $5. But why is a Gucci bag triple that? The name, right? So that's why I want to know the name of the document. I need to know. That's going to affect my pricing. Is it a school note or is it a power of attorney? Okay. Is it just a single affidavit, just one, or is it a whole divorce package? Okay. I'm looking at all of that. So don't ever let anybody tell you, oh, it's just a piece of paper. You know, oh, why are you charging so much? Even other notaries will question your fees. So that's why I don't get into arguments. I don't get into debates with other notaries. I'm not telling you what I charge. I'm not getting into that with you because they're like, what?